Reuben, tell us why you believe your product is different to other products out there.
Okay, so at Gryphon we believe in a core satellite approach in order to arrive at an optimal portfolio solution. So at the very core of our optimal portfolio would be an indexed fund. If I can just explain that, if one looks at the various building blocks of an optimal portfolio solution, you would have at the core an index product, and the extent of indexation varies. Some people say it should be 30%, other people say it should be 50%. We're not arguing active versus passive. All we're trying to say is that the optimal solution comprises both active and passive. Let me give you an example. If an investor takes 5 different portfolios, let's say he takes Allen Gray, Coronation, Prudential, and 2 smaller fund managers, and he combines their various portfolios, at the very core, that portfolio will probably reflect the all-share index. So almost every fund manager, for example, has an exposure to Naspers, to Richmond, to British American Tobacco, to Anglos. And the biggest mistake that investors make is to pay active management fees when all they are getting is a beta return. So indexation is about beta returns, and our message to investors really as indexation fund managers is don't pay active fees for beta returns. So what we say is take that core and allocate that to an indexed fund manager and pay indexation fees. You will save yourself a cost immediately, and then you can focus your attention on those managers that are actually generating alpha. So very simply, pay alpha fees if your manager is generating alpha. If one then looks at the satellite products, in other words, the products that are not at the core, they can comprise a variety of alternative solutions. So you may, for example, rely on a growth manager, you may rely on a value manager, you may invest in a commodity-based fund. But we would see that as a satellite product. And as I indicated earlier, if we believe that we have a unique solution for a unique client request, then certainly we would also design a unique product. For example, our Gryphon Dividend Income Fund provides investors with a dividend income stream and gives them an enhanced after-tax return. So that is a satellite product with a very defined niche market for a specific investor need. But in conclusion, our optimal solution in terms of portfolio structure comprises both an indexed core and then active satellite alternatives.
Thank you very much for joining us, Reuben, and the time that you spent in sharing your expertise.
Thank you for the opportunity, Andrew. Thank you.
And thank you for tuning into Black Onyx. For more detail, please visit our website.